How to update your graphic cards driver on Windows 11. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. First thing first, come below at the search bar, then simply type in Device Manager. You will see Device Manager under Control Panel, open it. Now scroll below and you will see Display Adapters. Double click onto your display adapters, and in my case I have two graphic cards. And first of all, let's start with the first one. Double click onto it and make sure you click on Details. If you see any updation here, click on OK and update it. Another way, you can simply right click onto it, click on Update Driver. You can either search automatically or browse via your computer. Select the first option. This is very easy. And once done, click Close. For NVIDIA, the process is same. Right click onto it, click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now once it is so, this has been already installed in my case. If this is not your case, you can go ahead and simply click on to install, and this will be installed or updated. Just like so guys, this is how you can easily do so. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.